Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. TCRT, guys. Now, look, the market has been just horrible the last 2 days, so pretty tough to find anything that is, moving in a positive direction. Now, sometimes, of course, these little guys, these little volatile ones, they can run counter to the market, and this is what we saw early on with TCRT. TCRT was winning a few races early on in the day. It's won 5 races so far today. And now I cautioned everybody, though, because, it had that massive drop yesterday. So, if you're going to get into this one here, you had to be paying a lot of attention because you didn't want to be, wandering away from your computer and have this sort of action happen on you. But, on a day, again, when the market is just getting, really trash because of FedEx and all that. FedEx came out with their news, etc. Hard to find something that you could, sort of be long for a while, but TCRT certainly looked like one, and a lot of people in the trading room took it. So have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll open the room Monday morning at 8 o'clock. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.